Hi there, welcome back to another video. Air fryers have had a recent surge in popularity due to a growing awareness of healthfulness and continuing demand for fried foods. Makers of air fryers advertise this appliance as a route to making and enjoying fried foods without the adverse health effects of oil-fried foods. In this video, we will look at some of the benefits of using air fryers. 1. Using air fryers can promote weight loss. A higher intake of fried foods has direct links with higher obesity risk. This is because deep-fried foods tend to be high in fat and calories. Switching from deep-fried foods to air-fried foods and reducing regular intake of unhealthy oils can promote weight loss. 2. Air fryers can be safer than deep fryers. Deep frying foods involves heating a large container full of scalding oil. This can pose a safety risk. While air fryers do get hot, there is no risk of spilling, splashing, or accidentally touching hot oil. You should use frying machines carefully and follow instructions to ensure safety. 3. Air fryers reduce the risk of toxic acrylamide formation. Frying food in oil can cause dangerous compounds to develop, such as acrylamide. This compound forms in certain foods during high-heat cooking methods, such as deep frying. According to the International Agency for Research on Cancer, acrylamide may have links to the development of some cancers, including endometrial, ovarian, pancreatic, and esophageal cancer. Additional studies have also suggested a link between dietary acrylamide and kidney, endometrial, or ovarian cancers, though the results are uncertain. By switching to air frying, you can lower the risk of having acrylamide in your food. 4. Cutting down on deep-fried foods reduces disease risk. Cooking with oil and consuming traditional fried foods regularly has links to many adverse health conditions. Replacing deep frying with other cooking methods can reduce a person's risk of these complications. If you are interested in switching to air fryers, I will provide links in the description to some air fryers you can try. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.